question. Consider the following statements. These statements are given. First statement is that governor of RBI is appointed by the central government. This statement is correct. Second statement is that certain provisions in the Constitution of India give the central government the right to issue directions to the RBI in public interest. This statement is wrong because there is no such provision in the Constitution of India. And the third statement is that governor of RBI draws his power from the RBI Act. This statement is also correct. Now see this second provision, which is wrong. Actually, it is the RBI Act that gives this power to the central government. This issue was in the news in 2018 when the then RBI governor had a differences with the government. November 2018, current affairs book, page number 115. Section 7 of RBI Act was in news that time. Section 7 of the RBI Act empowers the central government to issue directions to the RBI in public interest. So at that time, RBI Governor Urjit Patel has resigned. So the whole controversy is explained. Section 7 is explained. So this statement is wrong. It is the RBI Act, not the Constitution of India, which gives this power to the central government. So remove the option 2 from the given options. You are left with the option C. C is actually the answer. Now take the first and 3 in our Indian economy booklet. See the explanation. This is our Indian economy book for IAS Prelims 2021, page number 10. There is a full chapter on RBI. Here on this chapter, it is mentioned that RBI affairs are governed by the Central Board of Directors, that includes the RBI governor. The board is appointed by the Government of India in keeping with the Reserve Bank of India Act. So that board, including the governor, they got their power from the RBI Act. So the statement 1 and 3 is correct. C is the answer. Question is solved. Question: in the nature, which of the following are most likely to be found surviving on surface without soil? And the correct answer is lichen and moss. Actually, they are the vegetation of the tundra region. Tundra region is the region which is throughout the year is covered by ice and there is no soil. This is our environment book for IAS Prelims 2021, page number 7. Here biomes are explained. Name of the biome: tundra, northernmost region adjoining the ice-bound poles. About the flora and fauna of this region: they are devoid of trees except stunted shrubs in the southern part of the tundra biome. Ground flora includes lichen, mosses and sedges. So lichen and mosses is the option. 2 and 3, option C is correct. Question is solved. Next question: with reference to the urban cooperative banks in India, consider the following statements. First statement is that they are supervised and regulated by the local boards set up by the state government. This first statement is wrong. Now see your current affairs book for IAS Prelims 2021, September 2020 current affairs book, page number 194. Banking Regulation Amendment Bill was passed. On page number 194, it is mentioned that RBI regulates the state cooperative banks, district central cooperative banks, and the primary cooperative banks, also called the urban cooperative banks. So it is not the state government, it is the RBI that regulates the urban cooperative banks. So this very first statement is wrong. Remove the 1 from the given options. You are left with the B, 2 and 3. B is the answer and the question is easily solved. Next question. What is the position of the right to property in India? And the correct answer is B. It is a legal right available to any person. Now this is our Indian polity booklet for IAS Prelims 2021, page number 171. 44th constitutional amendment is explained, and this amendment, it is mentioned that right to property, while ceasing to be a fundamental right, would however be given express recognition as a legal right, provision being made that no person shall be deprived of his property save in accordance with the law. So it is a legal right available to all. Indian polity book, page number 171. B is the answer and the question is solved. Next question. What was the exact constitutional status of India on 26th January 1950? And the correct answer is a sovereign democratic republic. Now see our Indian polity booklet for IAS Prelims 2021, page number 33. There is a chapter on the preamble of the constitution, and on this chapter it is clearly mentioned, as originally enacted, the preamble described the state as the sovereign democratic republic. It further says that in 1976 the 42nd amendment changed this to read this. So sovereign democratic republic was the original term. B is the answer and the question is solved. Next question. Under the Indian Constitution, concentration of wealth violates, and the correct answer is directive principle of the state policy. Now see this our Indian polity booklet for IAS Prelims 2021, page number 50. There is a chapter on directive principle of the state policy, and directive principle 39, it states that prevention of concentration of wealth. So directive principle of the state policy is the answer. B is the answer. Question is solved. Next question. With reference to the India, the terms Halbi, Ho, Kui pertain to, and the correct answer is B, tribal languages. Now see your Indian culture book, Culture of India for IAS Prelims 2021, page number 167. Here it is mentioned, all the languages are mentioned. Halbi, that is Bastari. This Indo-Aryan language is spoken in some parts of Madhya Pradesh, Bastar district. And Ho, this Austro-Asiatic language is spoken by over 1 million of people. So these are languages, Halbi, Ho, Kui, etc. Kui is also mentioned on the page number 157. So D is the answer. Question is solved. Next question. At the national level, which ministry is the nodal agency to ensure effective implementation of Scheduled Tribes and Other Traditional Forest Dwellers Recognition of Forest Tribes Act 2006? And the correct answer is D, Ministry of Tribal Affairs. In our Indian polity booklet, we have given certain acts at the end of the booklet, and we have given this Scheduled Tribes and Other Traditional Forest Dwellers Recognition of Forest Tribes Act 2006 on page number 254, and on the page number 260 of the same book, page number 260 of our Indian polity booklet for IAS Prelims 2021, Here it is clearly mentioned that nodal agency, the Ministry of the Central Government dealing with the tribal affairs or authorized by the central government, shall be the nodal agency for the implementation of the provisions of this act. So tribal affairs ministry is the nodal agency. D is the answer. Question is solved. Next question. Water can dissolve more substances than any other liquid because 4 options are given and the correct one is that it is dipolar in nature. Now see our science booklet, Science and Technology book for ICE Prelims 2021, page number 26. Here it is mentioned that many molecules such as those of water are electric dipoles, meaning that they have a partial positive charge at the one end and a partial negative charge at the other end. So water is dipolar in nature. It is mentioned here. A is the answer and the question is solved. Next question. Bisphenol A is a cause of concern. Is a structural or key component in the manufacture of which of the following kinds of plastics? 4 options are given. Now see our current affairs book, September 2020 current affairs book, page number 56. There was a news on page number 55, European Union microplastics ban, and in this news it mentioned bisphenol A, and it is related with the polychlorinated bisphenol. Among the 4 options, B contains the polyvinyl chloride. Therefore D is the answer and the question is solved.